When it comes to prepping for survival, everyone's always looking for tips and tricks. But often, they ignore the good stuff. Prepping goes beyond stockpiling food. It's about resourcefulness and resilience. Navigate, secure shelter, find water, and defend yourself. Survival is about instincts, knowledge, and grit. These 16 essential survival hacks will equip you to face the unknown and emerge stronger. First things first, you need a go bag. This isn't your average backpack, it's your lifeline. Pack essentials: food, water, first aid kit, fire starter, map, compass, and a knife. Be prepared for anything. Think weather, injuries, self-defense, sturdy boots, waterproof jacket, and a survival guide. Pack smart, not light. Don't forget hygiene, toothbrush, toothpaste, toilet paper. Small comforts matter. Keep your go bag accessible. Know its contents and practice using them. In a crisis, ATMs might be down, card readers might be useless, and you don't want to be caught short. Stash away small bills. Who's going to break a $100 bill for a loaf of bread? Small bills are king when the grid goes down. Keep your cash hidden but accessible. A waterproof container in your go bag or a hidden compartment at home are good options. Cash is king when digital systems fail. Having small bills on hand can be a lifesaver. Imagine this. A fire rips through your home or a flood washes everything away. You need your important documents, but they're gone. Scan and make digital copies of everything important. Store them securely in the cloud and on an encrypted flash drive. Invest in a fireproof and waterproof safe. Access to your documents is crucial for insurance claims and identification. Become a map master. Don't rely solely on your phone for navigation. What happens when the battery dies or there's no signal? Get yourself a good old-fashioned paper map of your area and learn to use it. Mark down key locations, potential water sources, high ground, shelters, and escape routes. Familiarize yourself with the terrain, landmarks, and potential hazards in your area. Study the map, practice reading it, and even try navigating to different locations using only your map and compass. Remember, a map is more than just a piece of paper. It's a tool that can guide you to safety, help you locate resources, and provide a sense of direction in times of uncertainty. Communication is key. In a survival scenario, staying connected with your loved ones is paramount. Establish a clear communication plan with your family or group. Decide on a designated meeting point in case you get separated and agree on a communication schedule. Invest in reliable communication devices that function even when cell towers are down. Walkie-talkies are great for short-range communication, while CB or ham radios can be invaluable for long-distance contact. Learn how to use these devices effectively and practice sending and receiving clear messages. Remember, a well-structured communication plan can be the difference between reuniting with your loved ones and facing the unknown alone. Master the basics, knowing how to start a fire, find food and water, build a shelter, administer basic first aid. These are not just Boy Scout skills, they're survival essentials. Practice them regularly. Get out into the wilderness, even if it's just your backyard, and challenge yourself. Try building a fire without matches, identifying edible plants, or purifying water using different methods. Becoming proficient in these basic survival skills will not only boost your confidence but also equip you with the knowledge to handle challenging situations and ensure your well-being when it matters most. Your home should be your sanctuary, your last line of defense. Reinforce it. Check your doors and windows, make sure they're secure, and consider adding extra locks or bars. Think like a burglar, or worse, someone desperate to get inside. Identify weak points in your home's security and take steps to reinforce them. Consider installing a security system, motion sensor lights, or even a simple doorstop alarm. Conduct regular security drills with your family. Practice different scenarios, such as a home invasion or a natural disaster, and ensure everyone knows their roles and responsibilities. Knowledge is power. Make a list of everything you have, everything you need, and start thinking about how to fill the gaps. You don't need to break the bank. Be resourceful. Scour clearance sales, thrift stores, and online marketplaces for affordable supplies. Look for multi-purpose items that can serve multiple functions, such as a sturdy tarp that can be used as a shelter, ground cover, or rain catcher. Remember, preparedness is a marathon, not a sprint. By gradually accumulating supplies, you can build a comprehensive stockpile without putting a strain on your finances. Imagine a world where supermarkets are empty, and you're reliant on your own skills to put food on the table. That's where having a green thumb comes in handy. Start a garden, even if it's just a few pots on a windowsill. Choose seeds that are well suited to your climate and soil type. Start small and gradually expand your garden as you gain experience. Learn about companion planting, natural pest control, and water conservation techniques. Remember, growing your own food is not only a practical survival skill, but also a rewarding and empowering experience that connects you with nature and provides a sense of self-sufficiency. Forget money. In a true survival situation, it's all about bartering. What skills do you have that would be valuable? Can you fix things, build things, heal people? These skills will be worth their weight in gold. Identify your strengths and consider developing additional skills that could be useful in a barter economy. Learn basic mechanics, carpentry, first aid, or even how to sew. Remember, in a world without money, your skills and knowledge become your most valuable assets. Survival isn't just about having the right gear, it's about having the physical and mental strength to endure. Stay in shape, exercise regularly, eat healthily, and get enough sleep. Consider learning a martial art or self-defense technique. Not only will this improve your physical fitness, but it will also equip you with the skills to defend yourself and your loved ones if necessary. Your body is your most valuable tool in a survival situation. Keeping it strong and healthy will increase your chances of overcoming challenges and enduring hardships. I hope you never have to use a weapon, but knowing how to handle one safely and effectively could be the difference between life and death. Familiarize yourself with different types of weapons, their uses, and their limitations. Practice safe handling, storage, and maintenance of your chosen weapon. Learn about your local laws regarding weapon ownership and use. Remember, owning a weapon is a serious responsibility. It's essential to prioritize safety, practice regularly, and use your knowledge and skills responsibly. Knowing is not enough, you need to practice. Run through different scenarios with your family or group, a house fire, a natural disaster, a home invasion. The more you practice, the better prepared you'll be when the real thing hits. Conduct regular drills, testing your communication plan, emergency procedures, and evacuation routes. Evaluate your performance, identify areas for improvement, and refine your strategies. Remember, practice builds confidence, improves coordination, and reduces the likelihood of panic in a real-life crisis. In a grid-down situation, a reliable power source can be a lifesaver. Consider investing in a solar generator. They're a worthwhile investment, providing a renewable source of energy for essential appliances, lights, and communication devices. Research different solar generator options considering your power needs, budget, and storage capacity. Learn how to properly install, operate, and maintain your solar generator to ensure optimal performance. A solar generator can provide independence from the grid, allowing you to power essential devices, stay connected, and maintain a sense of normalcy during emergencies. Knowing how to treat a cut, a burn, or even a broken bone can be crucial in a survival situation. Invest in a comprehensive first aid kit and learn how to use everything in it. Take a first aid course and practice your skills regularly. Familiarize yourself with basic wound care, CPR, and how to handle common medical emergencies. Remember, having the knowledge and skills to provide immediate medical attention can save lives and prevent further complications in a crisis. Survival isn't just about physical preparedness, it's about mental resilience. You need to stay positive, maintain a hopeful outlook, and never give up. In the face of adversity, it's easy to succumb to fear and despair. However, maintaining a positive mindset can be a powerful tool for survival. Focus on the things you can control, set achievable goals, and celebrate small victories. The human spirit is incredibly resilient. By cultivating hope, determination, and a never-give-up attitude, you'll increase your chances of overcoming challenges and emerging stronger from any crisis. So there you have it. 16 essential survival hacks to give you an edge when the unexpected happens. Remember, preparation is key. Don't wait for disaster to strike before you start thinking about survival. Take action now, build your skills, and be ready for anything. What would you add to the list? Please put it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your tips and tricks for staying prepared. Thanks for watching, everybody. We appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.